Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your NAB crypto account. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar or in the search bar here, type in NAB crypto login and click on enter. After that, click on the first link, which is of nab.com.au. Now you'll be directed to official page of NAB Bank. Now click on this drop down menu, which is at top right corner of the screen, and make sure that it is selected to NAB trade option here. Now click on login button. Now a new page will appear. Here you need to click on login button. After that, type in your NAB trade user ID here and a password on this field here. After that, you can click on login button to log into your NAB crypto account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgotten your password link and follow the procedures to recover it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.